the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
There's that horrible old woman.
Don't point. And for your information, she's not in the least bit horrible.
But she's just a bundle of rags.
Look past what you see. Early each day, to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls. Come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies.
What are you doing? I'm going to give her my 6pence. What a waste.
That's a matter of opinion. Save your 6pence. One bag, please. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
All gone.
Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence